Minnesota shop. My heart beat like it wouldn't stop. I heard a voice within me say, puppy love is here to stay. You're just 10 and I'm 14, but to me you're a teenage queen, and I will love you till we're old and gray. Puppy love is here to stay. When you get to high school, I'll be there to guide you. I'll always wait, won't graduate till I graduate beside you. It's wrong or wrong to be alone. Won't you share